Okay, so how do you disable the mute option on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you are new to the Foxtecc channel, go ahead and subscribe right now because you don't want to miss videos like this one. So essentially on the side of the iPhone, depending on the model, of course, we have what's called the action button. And the action button doesn't only serve the function of muting the iPhone. So you can go ahead and customize it inside of the settings. So you can open up settings and then scroll to the action button and you can make it do something else. For example, I like to use it for accessing the camera. Even though on the 16 Pro and 17 Pro, you also have like the camera button on the other side, but you do not have it on the 15 Pro. That's why I chose that option. But the point is that you can literally pick anything else from the list, even use a Siri shortcut, which is much more customizable, and you can just choose it to be anything else. Keep in mind though that the older iPhones where there is only the mute switch, well, it can only serve that one function and it doesn't do anything else. It's not like you can choose it to be some other feature. So on the iPhone, which has a mute switch, there you don't really have the ability to tweak it to anything, but the action button can be customized according to your preference. So let me know in the comments below which option you have or what exactly you decided to go with. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you later.